Alex, this might be the same Alex that's in chat. Um, I'm doing a proposal for a real estate client who already has one of those fancy property search websites. They're not so fancy, by the way. They're really not. Those sites are terrible, to be honest with you. But their on page is crap as expected. Yep. Would you recommend just telling their web person what needs to be updated, new content, or you recommend just rebuilding it from scratch on another platform? Well, if you want better SEO performance, you build it on another platform. But um, the convenience and ease of using those other pre-built sites, I understand it. And that's what the vast majority of those in that industry do. Again, if you can, convince the client into paying for a new and custom site build, that will perform better than those generic kind of, out of the box sites that like Lead Carrot, I'm sure, or Investor Carrot or whatever it is. I used to be in real estate, so I know a lot of those different types of site builders, and they all suck. They're all templated sites and everything else. You're very limited into how you can optimize those. So even if you provide them on-page optimization instructions, a lot of that stuff they're not going to be able to do anyway. And just like I talked about, go high level sites, excuse me. The code is not usually all that clean on those sites, and so it's just difficult to optimize them. You can do it. There's a number of those sites out there that are performing well, but if the client's okay with it and they're willing to pay for a site build, I'd recommend building the site. It'll make it easier for you to manage if you built it for them, and it will likely perform better too. Okay. Yeah, if you can. If not, then I would just do the best that you can. By the way, that's what I teach about in the mastermind. That's why we do the Google Sites for local SEO. That's one of the reasons why that I actually developed that process, is because in the real estate business, a lot of the times you don't have control over the site. It's limited in what you can do to optimize it. So if you mirror the site structure into a Google site, then you can correct a lot of the on-page and structural issues that you're unable to on the main site. You can do that in the G site. And the G site acts as a container, a wraparound that just wraps around the main site, right? So you can actually correct some structural issues and things like that via the Google site, and then use the Google site as your primary link building target. Because the investor sites need to be embeddable for that to work the way that I recommend. And some of those have iframe breakers on them, but the ones that allow iframing, that will work really well, is using the Google site as a site mirror that you create a 1-to-1 page ratio where you then can correct internal linking and structural issues via the Google site. And then the Google site becomes the primary link building target. That's clear. That's something that I cover in the mastermind. Google Sites for Local SEO, SOP, it's covered in there. So if it's the Alex that I think it is, then you should have access to that.